Shree here. Merry Christmas. I just thought I would share with you James's Christmas tree. He has been collecting trains and train ornaments his whole life, and I just thought I would share with you our little train tree. He has lots of Hallmark ornaments on there, and just ornaments that he has had before we met, and different train ornaments that we collected the last few years. Let's see where. I know they're so dark. I know you might not be able to see all of them. I'll try to zoom in. Let's see. And I don't know all their names and numbers, but I just thought I would share them with you. Let's see this one. Oh. This the balls are from a Lionel set. There was just blue and orange, but and then we have some little train things down below. Department 56, and that's a train candle holder. And it's a Stitch train. He actually moves. Let's see what else. And we do have some Disney ones. Alright, well that is James's train tree. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And I hope everyone has a blessed Christmas.